In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download Miro wireframes. To begin, open Miro in your browser and go to the board that contains your wireframes. Make sure the board is fully loaded before you continue, so nothing is missing from the export. If you have multiple frames or sections on the canvas, it can help to zoom out briefly so you understand what is included and what you still need to select. Next, open the export options and choose Save as PDF. This is the option you will use to download your wireframes in a clean, shareable format. A PDF export is a good choice for reviews, approvals, or sending wireframes to someone who does not use Miro. Now you will highlight the content you want to export. Click and drag to create a selection around the wireframes you need. If your board has extra notes, shapes, or guides nearby, take a moment to adjust your selection so the export stays focused on the wireframes only. After that, click to highlight again as needed. This repeated highlighting is simply refining what is selected, so you capture exactly the area you want. If you accidentally select the wrong items, click on an empty area of the canvas and highlight again until your selection looks right. Once your wireframes are selected, choose Send to Back. This helps fix situations where a highlight box or other overlay is sitting on top of your wireframes and would show up in the exported file. Sending that element to the back keeps the wireframes clear and readable in the final PDF. After you have done that, go back to Save as PDF again. At this point, you are ready to generate the file based on your updated selection and layout. Confirm that the preview area includes the correct wireframes and that nothing important is cut off along the edges. Finally, click Export. Miro will process the board and download the PDF to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, it may save automatically to your Downloads folder or ask you where to save it. Rename the file right away if you want to keep versions organized. That covers everything you need to know.